So yeah, since you handed over your presidency to Natasha Pandigar, you have been a bit out of the limelight, very quiet. Is there like a reason for that? I'm sure like they want to come and ask you, to like give them some inspirational talk and advise them and all that. So have they come forward to like talk to you?
The reason why, when you wholeheartedly decide you must hand over something to someone else, that's all.
Okay.
Don't go and put your head there again. Then you create an enmity between them. So I give it to Pandivelu. Pandivelu is not a bad man. He's a very pious man. He's a good man, and all this. But sometimes, we are human beings. We make small mistakes here and there. And I still have a lot of respect for him. He's a very clean person. When he talks also, he talks the truth.
Do you still see him every once in a while, have a tea or coffee with him?
Pardon?
Dato Sri Pandikar, do you and him like still meet, have coffee or tea?
No, I don't disturb. Politics is different.
Okay.
When you move out of a political party and other leaders, stop it. If you go again, someone will start something else.
Okay.
So it is better to keep away from it.
Okay, that's great. I get it. Okay, yeah. So, with a bit of the crisis they are going through now, how do you think they can overcome it?
Which one?
In MIC itself, between, the
You see, politics is crisis. You can never get out of it. You see, something that you do today may not be liked by somebody else.
Okay.
And the next day, what he does, we may not like. But anyway, the party is going on strongly, but the activities, all these things are now, the number of activities are increasing. If they go that way, I think they will be very well doing.
So, majority of the leaders in MIC now have been groomed by you, like you brought them up since, like, they were young and all that. So, how do you feel the younger generation is going to be compared to how it was when you grew them?
You see, when I took over the party, first we concentrated on the existing leaders.
Okay.
Because they are the ones who to do service.
Yeah.
After that, the younger generation, the ladies, the younger girls, all of them join together. When they meet in a place to discuss, they are very happy. The reason is they are given an opportunity to work. And that is very, very important. See, when a young man comes to you, I wanted to work with you, take him. That is the best you can do. If he comes and says that you are not good because you don't like people this and that, you ask him, come sit down. What is your problem? Why you feel like that? Can I explain to you? When we explain, he goes away. He'll have a coffee and go away with it. Then he says, sorry sir. See, that sort of things.
Any advice for the future generation of MIC, the youth and all that, when they take over?
See, MIC in future had to think of a new path. A path that provides strength for the Malaysian Indians in the country. And then also at the same time provide all the necessary help through which the Indians, the Malays, the Chinese all can live together, come up together.